Okay, listen, it's all about treasure hunting. We just call it geocaching. Alright, this next geocache is located inside the Hippo River Nature Reserve, and it sits on the banks of the Hippo River in between Aston Bay and Paradise Beach. So let's quickly jump into the app and see what we're up against here. Okay, so in the description it says, a riverbank cache in the Sequoia River Nature Reserve. Warning, please be on the lookout for crocodiles, as they are sometimes spotted in this vicinity. It is not advisable to do this cache after dark, as there may be some general safety concerns while walking in the reserve at night. This cache is part of the Pill Bottle Cache contest that started March 25th, 2019. Right, the last entry in the log was on the 29th of December 2021. Did not find. The entry before that was on the 31st of December 2019. Found it. Cache is in good condition. Quick find. Alright, let's see if they left us a hint. Look under the elephant's food. So, let's go get this one. Alright, there's two ways we can do this. We can either keep heading on this dirt road that would lead us straight to it, or we can turn off on one of these hiking paths and hike through the reserve. That's right. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this is way more fun than just walking a little dirt road. Right, hang on. I've got to navigate. 250 meters. Alright, check it out. We're right next to the river. The river is right here. Alright, we're getting close. Right, here's the outbuilding that you can see on the map. Yeah, let's just take a look again. Right, still showing 111 meters. These outbuildings right here, I can see on the map, and we just have to head past that. 93 meters. Yep, here's the outbuilding. Fish eagle. Can you hear that? I knew there were damn fish eagles here. "50 meters. Alright, now if you look at the map, here's the big outbuilding, which is this one over here, and next to it is the small one. So there it is, the big one and the small one, and we just keep going that direction. It's vibrating. 9 meters. Here we go, folks. 8 meters. 7, 6. You mean to tell me it's in there somewhere? I think we're looking for a pill bottle of some sort. I think it's in here somewhere. No, it's got to be on this side. Right, here we are, 4 meters. Okay, so the hint said, look under the elephant's food. Okay, so what do elephants eat? Do you think they eat this? I mean, think about it. If you were an elephant, would you eat this? 2 meters. 1 meter. Okay, remember in the description it said that this cache is part of the pill bottle contest. So I think we're looking for a pill bottle. Okay, we're gonna have to get in here. No, that's not it. Under the elephant's food. I've got a feeling this one is not gonna be easy. How do I even get in here? God. Let's look. No, I don't know if it would be on the ground or maybe tied up in the tree or on a branch. I don't see anything yet. Okay, so this is speckworm, also known as Japanese stone crop. And elephants eat this. So when the hint says, look under the elephant's food, I think it's somewhere underneath this bush. Okay guys, it's time to get the gloves on. No, I'm just not sure if it would be hung up in a tree or branch, or if it would be down on the ground. Either way, I'm sure it's pretty well camouflaged. I don't see it. 1 meter, man. 1 meter. It's right here somewhere. Right there. And I can't find it. I've been in this bush and I can't find it. I always turn over rocks because that's always a good hiding place. Underneath rocks and shit. Let's see. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? Just look at that. Right. Got it. Here we are. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, well, we got a completely blank log and the container looks pretty new. So I'm reckoning the cache owner renovated and replaced the cache pretty recently. It looks pretty new. Alright, let's get a pin out. And a little logbook. I was beginning to think I wasn't gonna find it, but I did. All right. Let's get this guy. All right, so let's just put this guy back there, like that. Okay, let's log it on the app. Found it. Let's write a little description here. I'm just gonna say, on the floor under spec boom. Post. Alright, that's 14 total finds. If we get to 20, we can start hiding our own. Oh man, I gotta tell you, for a minute there I thought I wasn't gonna find it. But we did. So 14 total finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.